The classic black silicone fit, the best choice for the S10 series. It gives you a decent level of protection from falls and bumps, without making your phone significantly thicker. The case has an extra soft lining for defense against scratches, and doesn't block the phone's power share feature. You can buy it right now for the S10, S10 Plus, and S10e. Spigen Silicone fit cases are a relatively new addition to the company's line of enclosures. The case is as lean as the thin fit, but offers more protection and a grippy outer shell. Unfortunately, similar to Apple's silicone case offerings, the thin fit is a dust magnet, though it's surprisingly resistant to grease. This enclosure is a great option for someone looking for a little more protection than what the thin fit offers, but still wants a case that doesn't add significant bulk to the S10. It's got a premium soft feel and a grip that's necessary for droppers out there. The inside is even softer, so no worries there for protecting the glass back. A simple black is currently the only color option, so it looks like a good fit for those wanting a minimal black look.